All right, country people, we don't show, and anytime we show well. We know they show alone. I did here with better Ogbonge guest with Sabi, the guy. We get voice of angelic. And so
you don't see angel before.
My brother, the one and only Wande Coal in the building.
And so I did.
My G, our levels now.
As you don't call me angel now, I'll be black angel.
Black angel, black diamond. More leave am for black diamond. Make the thing no twist. How you be now?
Everywhere good, everywhere good. I just drop album.
Yes, so.
Legend or no legend.
Yes, so.
Everywhere they hot, they catch fire. You know, they bomb blast. I they give them.
So, what make you put that title for that album, Legend or No Legend? What make you?
So, you get one day where I did for Twitter. You know, say me, I know they like the chochos media anyhow. So this day I just don't go lose chochos media. I see Twitter, I say they talk, say, is it right to make you call Wande Coal legend? I can't say me. Who's that?
Who is that person?
Who be that?
Who get that mind?
Who him be?
You check her. You see who the person is.
Wow. now so I just go tweet. Now so I say legend or no legend. I just love making good music. And so the thing just died down. While I just now there I just see the inspiration. I say, you know what?
Okay.
The day when I want to give my album before, make a change am. I call them and say, hello, I'm gonna change the name. Fast. And they run out.
Legend or no legend?
Legend or no legend.
So, which means say when you don't finish the album before you think of
normally, yeah.
I think some people they go start and
now lie you go work first so before you go the normally.
Makes sense. So now talking about the people waiting on top of the album, the guys where you select put.
First of all, you get one inspiration where I get before I enter the industry.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what I know, and the artist name na T-Pain. That guy na icon for America. Where they done the key song since.
Na legend.
Ah, you sabi.
You see how
this guy. But so now that guy be my idol. That year. But this year, he can't go to my album.
Hey!
So T-Pain did my album. My blood brother Wizkid, he did my album.
On top. Nice one.
Olamide.
Bado. They on top.
Fireboy, he did there. He tire you as I just call Bado.
No, he good.
Because Bado,
because
it's Bado. Ibadando.
People don't talk. Okay, as you don't call these names now. You don't call any female artists on top the.
No, the next one will come.
Female
day. Woman self, if like the producer, we produce for this album, nobody holy. Now woman.
Okay, so ladies, on don't hear on a day.
A female producer did the album. Now she produced number 1 and number 4. So nobody say and I put her voice too.
You put her there, so
nobody
say here say confirm. Now see the one where you drop with Olamide, where they cause problem. Where they cause problem. Oh God. So now people they talk, but you don't do that song since 2022, and you just put them out. Why you delay?
I get other project where I been one drop that time.
Okay.
Before I drop my album.
Okay.
So I just dropped that project with my label, Empire. So that was that one called drop, Umbrella, where I drop. So now, by the time I do Paper Soup, Olamide already killed the song.
Try.
You hear me? So now me, I dey go show. So now from the go show where I dey go as I dey perform, the lyrics.
It's just the.
They enter my head.
It's just the. So anytime you reach there, it touch your mitochondria.
Number level. As you enter, now that time I come. So sometimes you guys take your time.
Yeah.
At a time. No time.
Oh. See.
Okay.
What do you make your fans expect from the one and only Black Diamond?
I just want this opportunity to thank all my fans who don't deal with me over the years. You know, you already know, say me I be hot boy, and I know they stop. You know, and I dey push for my people. I dey let them know, say I be Nigerian, African Nigerian, where they do am. So if you want download Wande Coal, go at Instagram, you follow Wande Coal, go Snapchat, Black Diamond _7, go Twitter, Wande Coal. Email Wande Coal.
Confirm.
I don't put the G or ultimate, but they get her.
They go find her.
You feel me? Everywhere, Wande Coal.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Wande Coal. Where they drop things we hot.
Normally.
Baba, you too much.
Levels.
Nothing they happen. Thank you for your time,
Thank
Baba. You choke.
It's Wande Coal. Oh. Make sure they watch Wazobia Max TV Watch am, loud am. Loud am!
Oh.
Dey play.